In this video, I'm going to explain how to create C-Porter group for C-Porter user setup. In order to create C-Porter user IDs that will be given to your customers, you have to set up CS group codes first. Go to User Customization, Others, Setting by C-Porter group. By setting C-Porter group differently by customers, you can vary accessible menus, items, and functions by customer. Click New at the bottom and enter a group code and name and save it. Once you've finished to create a new C-Porter group, then I'm going to explain how to set authorized menu, restricted time, C-Porter minimum sales order quantity, C-Porter item, and how to set the notice phrase on C-Porter. First off, I'm going to show you how to set up menus in Customer Porter. On the right side of the Customer Porter group you've created, click Register button of Authorized Menu field. You can see the menus when you click the My Page further. Your customers who belongs to the C-Porter group only can find out these three menus: New Sales Order, Sales Order List, and Sales Order Status. If you want your customer to check your inventory balance, you could add Inventory Balance menu for this C-Porter group. Click New Group Folder and Function, Add Menu. Check the Inventory Balance menu and click the Apply button at the bottom. In addition, if you want to change New Sales Order input screen, you can click Input Screen button next to New Sales Order. And then, you can add different fields and delete columns whatever you want. Once you've finished the menu setting, click the Save button at the bottom. Second, I will go over how to limit the time when C-Porter orders can be received. By setting up restricted time in C-Porter, you can block your C-Porter customers and vendors from entering sales orders during a specific time. In the restricted time field, click Do Not Use. When you generate a new C-Porter group, the basic setting will be Do Not Use. Set up the time you will restrict creating sales order at and save. For example, if you want to allow creating sales orders only from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., check on from 00 to 8 and from 18 to 23. You can vary the restricted time by each day of the week. And third, I'm going to go over how to set up the minimum sales order quantity and order unit in online ordering system. The important thing you should know is that you should set up the minimum sales order quantity and order unit of the item first. Go to Inventory 1, Setup, Item. Click on the code of the item you want to set up. And Quantity tab, C-Porter minimum sales order quantity. Select either default or use and enter 5, for example, in the field on the right side. And also, C-Porter minimum sales order unit, select use and save. If you select use in the C-Porter minimum sales order unit, the sales order quantity will allow entering quantity in units of 5, 10, 15, 12, and so on. And quantities such as 6, 7, and 8 will not be able to be entered. And then, get back to setting by C-Porter group menu, and the C-Porter minimum sales order quantity field, click Do Not Use, and select Use and save it. And fourth part is that how to set items to be shared to online ordering system. There are 4 criteria: all, share with customer porter, price level group, and item level group. If you select all items registered in Inventory 1 setup and item will be shared. If you select set manually and shared with cPorter, it will share all items selected to be included in the cPorter as set in Inventory 1 setup, item. Click each item code, item info tab, cPorter access, checked share with cPorter. If you select price level, it will share items which have price level set per customer or vendor. If you select item level group, it will share items set in the item level group. If you want to vary the items that can be viewed by each cPorter customers or apply different prices by each cPorter customers, it is recommended to share items by price level group. And last part is that how to leave the notice phrase at the top in the cPorter. You can set up a notice phrase to be placed at the top of the screen when cPorter users log in. The phrase can be set up per each cPorter group in the comments field next to the desired cPorter group. Click Register button. Enter the desired phrase and save it. In this video, I explained how to create cPorter group for cPorter user setup and how to set up differently for each group.